Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening your Illustrator document and confirming color mode and artboard size. You want smart guides on so placement snaps cleanly. Choose File, then Place, decide whether to link or embed. Linking keeps file size down, embedding makes the image portable. Click on the artboard to place at default size or click and drag to set exact dimensions. Once placed, use the control bar to lock proportions or enter numeric width and height values to scale precisely. With the image selected, use the selection tool to move and scale. Hold Shift to constrain proportions. If you need to crop visually, draw a shape on top and use Object Clipping Mask Make to mask the image cleanly. Make sure the shape is above the image. For color tweaks, open Edit Colors or apply an adjustment in Properties. Once done, place the image on its own layer and adjust opacity or blending modes to integrate it with vector artwork. Finalize by embedding the image if you need a single file deliverable, or use File Package to collect links and fonts for sharing. Export using Export as for high-resolution raster, or Save for Web for optimized files. Choose Color Profile and Resolution before exporting. If the placed image looks pixelated, make sure you didn't downscale a low-res file, relink missing assets from the Links panel, and toggle GPU/C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.